Parang nakakuha na naman si Kuya Richard ah. Meron? Malaki o maliit?
Wala.
Ah, meron. Mayroon ulit. Ay, 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 ay. Uy, takbo. Muntik pang muntik pang no?
Ang lit-lit.
Nakawala pa.
Dali pa?
May natin ng fishing na naman kami guys. Ito na naman ang ayan huli namin maliliit lang yan pero marami-rami na. Good for prito yan. Ano nangyari sa isang rod? Come on, there's space. Come on, reel in. Reel in. Face is on already. Yeah, reel slowly. Kasi it's gonna...
Meron niya, nakita ko, na ko na.
Go. What? See? Told you.
Wow.
This is on.
It's time now.
Huh?
It's time. Guess the fish aren't Baptist, I guess.
Say thank you to the fish. Ayan, meron na naman. May maliitan na naman kami. Talagang ano lang kami sa pangmaliitan lang ang ano namin trip dito.
Bitin. Gawa.
Jipe, come back here. Don't play.
I'm trying to wash my feet. Everywhere's muddy. I'm trying to wash my feet.
Yeah, your feet will be dry. Come back. Go up.
Okay. Say so.
Oh.
Come on.
Oh, medyo malaki-laki yan ah. Oh, medyo malaki-laki laki sa area yan eh. Oh. Gutom na ang hiring. Bangus ah. Yan. Ilan na? Laki na. Ha? Oo nga, maliliit yung iba. Malaki to. Bangus, no? Chiko, sa akin, baka ako na lang di nakahuli, ah. Ano nak? Fish on? Na?
Bite stuff.
No.
Go check. Hold your thing. Hold the rod.
Nandito kami guys, madaling araw pa kami nandito, alas 5:30. Fishing na kami ngayon alas 7, so 2 hours na. Isa pa lang na malaki ang nakukuha namin. Masaya na kami sa mga bangus-bangus na isda dito na nahuhuli namin. Yan na naman. Ano? Up. Meron na naman. Pang-ulam na naman si Richard. Para
You got
namimili.
no fish so far.
Yeah, namimili yung isda. Oo nga. Namimili yung isda. Another fish, parang nasayo yung nasayo yung swerte ngayon ah.
Oh, Vicky.
Oh. Gutom na nga ang mga isda ngayon. Another fish.
Hindi nga na. Bawasan yung aking ito.
Ha?
Bawasan.
Ano, lipat tayo, manatili tayo dito. Huwag nawimili ka. Oh, meron na naman daw. Grabe talaga swerte mo ngayon ah. Oh, ano? Ah, wala pa.
I see it's swimming. Swimming away. Swimming away would be nice for sure. You should try the big spot.
Yeah, last place. Ah, bilis makarelo. Maliit yan.
No reeling.
What? Go, carry on. Where is it? Patriling pa yung isda. Ayun. Meron. Go.
What? Taking so long to reel.
Maliit. Ah, that's why.
Try guys,
Go.
Finally. There we go.
Oh, maliit. Ganun mo.
Stop. Oh, stop. Spins off.
Relen. Oh, don't do it like that. Where's the fish? Oh, meron na naman niya. Oh, a little bit bigger this time. Oh, yan. Oh, yan. A little bit bigger this time. Nice one. I see, open it.